Well, we are back, but we are also running out of battery. So, well, I probably shouldn't have pressed go until we're actually ready to ride, but there you go. Yeah, had some liquids, a liquid lunch as they call it, and we are almost ready to rock and roll. And what does that warning say? This bicycle is not designed for off-road use or for stunting. But it's a mountain bike. It's in your mountain bike section. Why would it be there? Okay. Oh, we feel a little less dehydrated now. That's kind of cool. My mouth is so dry. Let's see where this trail goes. I think we've probably got another hour here and an hour back to Christchurch. Then that should give me an hour for food. Potentially, maybe. Not sure, don't know. We'll see. I did have a look at these mushrooms. I can't remember, there's something, they're not garlic, but they're something garlic. And they're the fairy tale mushroom used in most Disney films. And they are poisonous, and they do have psychedelic effects. So I've taken 3, and whoa! No, bad for you. Bad, bad, bad. The temperature is dropping in the trees. The sun's gone away. Oh, we were almost at the end of it. Oh, we could have had a break up here. Downshift again, but we made it. Eight kilometres or 13 kilometres. What, depending on your point of view, or? Oh, I think it's if you came from the car park, then you've done 8. If you've done all the routes that I did, then it's 13. Up the berm, round the berm. I think that's supposed to go up like this, then round. So just stay on the outside of it, and dipping into this corner, and then dipping in the apex of that corner. Just obviously a lot faster. I think that's the idea. Just like driving. Up, brings you up, and then you hit the apex of the inside. Maybe one with the baby, I could catch her. I don't know why I'd want to. Sounds a bit demonic there, wasn't it? Oh, I could catch you. It's gonna do me nothing really, apart from I've got to find a way to overtake. So close but so far. I wouldn't want to be in a race. See things that are that close but keep evading you. I don't know how many degrees you can turn the wheel without capitulating and dying. Cheers, thank you.
Yes.
Cheers, bud, thank you. I don't know if this is the right way. It said the car park and it is the way back. The other one said trust something loop. I just don't know where. Doesn't really matter, I don't think. Where are we going? This way? This way, by the looks of it. Golf course. Actually looks kind of nice. Very big indeed. It's a nice golf course, although there's a lot more rough there. And to be fair, the way we were hitting it the other day, we don't hit it in the rough. Striping it down every fairway. no one waiting to pass me. No one's waiting to pass me because I'm so fast. I think this was the correct path. Mountain bike track. Oh, that's where we started. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's where we started. Imagine if I just went right there. Just crack on and go again. I mean, to be fair, not the time. I don't think I've got the energy. Oh, 17 kilometres worth of track. Might try this little pump track thing, I don't know, maybe.